मैग्नीफिकेशन कितनी होती है? 20 टाइम्स।
Welcome to Medical Hospital, all media people, for the last video launch of laparoscopic medical director is laparoscopic surgeon. He will explain about the benefit
program, what is called commonly keyhole surgery. It has been in vogue in India for last more than 20-25 years, and I think it's a very common practice. India is lagging behind, far behind in development in medical sciences. The keyhole, it's as big as this one. To put in this port, this is called an endoport. There are two types: to move with, or if at all move with pain, and is out of work for 2 weeks. Now the advantages of this is that all that we require for access is this. So therefore it is called minimal access or keyhole surgery. Advantages obviously are, one, that pain is very less. You don't have to cut muscles, therefore pain is less. Recovery is very fast. Why recovery is fast? There is only a small hole which may not be sutured also 5 hours. We leave it open, it gets healed automatically. Second is that there is no chance of wound infection. Say for example, we are doing surgery on a diabetic with a large open wound sutured openly by using a conventional method. There is every likelihood of that wound getting infected. So wound infection is almost unknown, very limited cases.
Okay, let's just
Which is also called minimal access surgery, has more than 2 decades evolution in other countries. It is very sad, for whatever reasons, India has not taken off in laparoscopic keyhole surgeries. We at Mediheal are planning to introduce technology-based keyhole surgery, and in 6 months' time we should be able to, it may turn out to be much cheaper. And our endeavor is to make costs in Nakuru very competitive at Mediheal. High definition machine, we will be able to do any kind of surgery in abdomen and thorax, including esophagus, including pelvis and abdomen, pelvic organs, also gynecological surgeries. All of them can be undertaken by this. Since we need to have initial training with the staff, we will start with a program which will include surgeries for gallbladder, surgeries for appendix, surgeries for hernias, and hysterectomies. This will be our initial program. And eventually in 6 months' time, we should be able to do bariatric surgery, we should be able to do advanced laparo-oncology. To the literature, the disadvantages quoted in literature are, say, rate of complications. There's always a learning curve. Now, if you look at the latest literature that is available on keyhole surgery, on laparoscopic surgery, the comparisons, the large studies which have compared open and laparoscopic surgery, do not put laparoscopy higher in terms of complication. So let me tell you, except maybe the direct cost on laparoscopic surgery, there are not much complications. However, there are many situations where there is a need for conversion into open surgery, which should not be in very many cases, but it is always dependent upon the operator. Once people get used to this surgery, I don't think there will be ever a need, maybe rarely a need to convert into open surgery. And Nairobi and our other hospitals which will be opening shortly. We are NIA, gallbladder, URT. No, there are different many. We use in gallbladder we use 4, in appendix we use 3, in say gastric surgery.
Amo gusia kado. Acho nama ada kita kado.